Hello folks. Today I'd like to do a little product review. Take a look at a gun cleaning kit, as it were. This is an Outers 32-piece universal, and it comes in its own plastic box, kind of keep things together for you. It was under $30. You can find these almost anywhere, quite likely. That's why I chose this to do a product review on. Let's take it out of the case and get a look at it here, or out of the packaging. It's in a nice little hard case. Little positive locking devices. You open it up, you'll see that there's all sorts of good things in there. Cleaning rods, mops, brushes, nearly everything you need. Synthetic patches. I'm not much on the synthetic stuff like that. I'm kind of old school. I like cotton. You can buy bulk cotton patches, and they're relatively cheap, and I think they do a better job of absorbing all the goop and dirt and such involved in cleaning the guns. But anyway, the bore brushes, there's a multitude of them to fit your particular caliber. These mops, I don't use them very often. They can be used. Saturate them with solvent and run through your bore. There's these jags, which are these little guys here, and they are used. You apply a patch over the end of it and push it through the bore of your gun with some solvent to cut the crud, as it were. There's these items here that you fold a patch, put through there. Got an eyelet. You just thread a patch through there, and you can work it through your barrel as well. There's adapters. There's all the rods you'll need. It's an adequate cleaning kit. Not the best in the world. It's far from the worst. But since there's been a lot of people buying firearms lately, you need to keep them clean as well as enjoy them and shoot them and such. And this will help you do that. And it's all pretty elementary. Most of your firearms have come with instructions on how to disassemble for cleaning. There's videos available. You can go to a lot of different places and view videos on how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble. If you don't buy one of these Outers brand, buy something if you own a firearm. Preserve your firearms, preserve our heritage, and hope that they don't get too radical on the banning of firearms and parts. Thanks folks, come back, there's plenty more.